Welcome to AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner Exam Practice Test. Our topic today is practice test number 4. Use the link in the description to download the app on the App Store for free practice tests. Number 1. Which of the following is not used to control network traffic in Amazon Web Services? A. Network access control lists. B. Route tables. C. IAM policies. D. Security groups. The correct answer is C. IAM policies. Explanation. By default, IAM users don't have permission to create or modify resources in AWS. IAM policies are used to grant IAM users permission to use the specific resources and API actions they'll need. Number 2. Which AWS network feature can establish a private network connection between AWS and your data center? A. AWS Direct Connect. B. AWS Route 53. C. AWS Snowball. D. Amazon CloudFront. The correct answer is A. AWS Direct Connect. Explanation. AWS Direct Connect is used to establish a dedicated network connection from your premises to AWS. Using AWS Direct Connect, you can establish private connectivity between AWS and your data center, office, or colocation environment, which in many cases can reduce your network costs, increase bandwidth throughput, and provide a more consistent network experience than internet-based connections. Answer B, C, D are not correct because AWS Route 53 is a DNS service. AWS Snowball is used to physically migrate petabyte-scale datasets into and out of AWS. Amazon CloudFront is a content delivery network. Number 3. Your company must archive some information for compliance reasons, but realistically will need to access that information very infrequently. What tool exists for storing this archived information? A. Elastic Block Store. B. Glacier. C. Simple Storage Service. D. Elastic File System. The correct answer is B. Glacier. Explanation. The Glacier storage tool in AWS allows massive amounts of data archiving. Every option listed here is a valid AWS storage technology, but Glacier is the correct answer to this particular question. Number 4. Your company's management is getting very nervous about managing governance, compliance, and risk auditing in AWS. What service should you enable and inform management about? A. Cloud Audit. B. CloudWatch. C. Cloud Compliance. D. CloudRail. The correct answer is D. CloudRail. Explanation. AWS CloudRail is designed to log all actions taken in your AWS account. This provides a great resource for governance, compliance, and risk auditing. Answers A and C are not correct because there are no services called Cloud Audit or Cloud Compliance. Answer B is not correct because Amazon CloudWatch is used to monitor the utilization of AWS resources such as CPU and RAM of EC2. Number 5. Which of the following affect Amazon Elastic Block Store costs? A. Volume types and snapshots. B. Elastic IPs and snapshots. C. RAM and volume types. D. Number of cores and RAM. The correct answer is A. Volume types and snapshots. Explanation. When you want to estimate the costs of Amazon Elastic Block Store, you need to consider the following. 1. Volume types. 2. Input or output operations per second. 3. Snapshots. 4. Data transfer. Number 6. What is the main pricing model of AWS? A. Pay as you terminate. B. Pay as you can. C. Pay as you go. D. Pay as you design. The correct answer is C. Pay as you go. Explanation. AWS uses a pay-as-you-go model that permits you to trade capital expenses for operational expenses. Number 7. What is a platform as a service of AWS? A. CloudFront. B. Elastic Beanstalk. C. Relational Database Service. D. CloudFormation. The correct answer is B. Elastic Beanstalk. Explanation. Elastic Beanstalk provides all the resources needed to run and test applications created in a variety of DevOps tools. Many consider this service to be a great example of platform as a service. Number 8. You are interested in doing infrastructure as a service in AWS. You will need private and public subnets as well as devices such as routers, firewalls, and network address translation devices. What aspect of AWS will you be working with? A. Simple storage service. B. Virtual private cloud. C. Direct Connect. D. Route 53. The correct answer is B. Virtual private cloud. Explanation. AWS Virtual Private Cloud provides the main networking components of your infrastructure, including the routing intelligence and the public and private subnets. Number 9. Your security team wants information from you on the specifics that are permitted and prohibited against your AWS infrastructure. Where can you find this information? A. Trusted advisor. B. Identity and access management. C. Acceptable use policy. D. CloudWatch. The correct answer is C. Acceptable use policy. Explanation. The AWS Acceptable Use Policy, along with other agreements governing the use of AWS, can be found on the AWS website. If you have any questions about how your use case aligns with AWS policies, consult a legal advisor. AWS support cannot provide legal advice regarding your use of Amazon Web Services. Number 10. You are interested in a NoSQL database in the cloud that provides high performance and predictable throughput. What service would suit your needs? A. Aurora. B. Redshift. C. DynamoDB. D. Relational Database Service. The correct answer is C. DynamoDB. Explanation. All these options are valid AWS database technologies, but only DynamoDB is a NoSQL variant that provides fast performance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for updated videos every week.